Hello friends, today we are going to review a supplement which is called red yeast rice capsules. Basically, these supplements are used for lowering your cholesterol levels. So people who generally have high cholesterol, they typically can consider using this supplement. So the way I am going to structure this review is, first of all, I am going to compare my results before the time period when I actually took this supplement and after I got my test done when I took these supplements. I will also then give you an indication of the pricing of this supplement, the dosage that is required to be undertaken. So first of all, I think what we can do is I can let you know that I have been using this supplement for last 1 year. So my duration of use is almost 12 months. So this should be taken into consideration. And now what I will do is I will tell you straight away that I will compare my results, that before taking what were the results, what was my lipid profile indicators, and after taking this supplement what are my lipid profile indicators. These are also mentioned in the description section of this video, so if you want to just see over there you can also see there. So before taking this supplement, so my total cholesterol level was 211, which ideally should be 200, so it was high, we can say that. And when I took this supplement, then now my total cholesterol level is 138. So you can see there has been a very significant reduction in the overall cholesterol level. Coming to the HDL, high density cholesterol, which actually is a good cholesterol. So post taking this supplement, now it is 34, whereas it should ideally be 35. Earlier it was 40. So there has been some reduction in HDL cholesterol, but it is not much worrying because it is still very much on the borderline, which is the required parameter of 35. Now let us look at LDL, which is the low density cholesterol and which is the bad cholesterol, which ideally should be as less as possible. So before taking this supplement, LDL was 146, which ideally should be, the diagnostic report says that it should be at maximum of 130. But usually if you go to your doctors and your endocrinologists, they would typically suggest keeping this even below 100. And the reason is LDL, they believe that it causes, your blood streams to kind of get very, very thick, due to which you can face risks related to heart issues. So by that parameter you can kind of get to know that how important it is to keep this particular indicator of your lipid profile LDL under control. Now coming to what it was prior to taking this supplement, so it was 146, so which was very high, you can say, if we are considering the required number, which should be at 100 or below. Now after taking this supplement, it is now at 92. So you can see the kind of decrease and where this supplement has been really effective. So it has almost reduced my LDL by more than 50 points. So I think it has really worked very effective in that particular indicator, which was required. Triglycerides, before taking supplement, they were 122, and triglycerides again, they should be as low as possible, although the maximum limit mentioned is 200. And after taking, it is now at 79. So you can again see a very, very significant reduction even when it comes to another important indicator. Coming to the very low density cholesterol, which is considered the worst cholesterol which can be found in your bloodstream. So that was around 24 before taking this supplement, and now it is around 16. So you can again see that there has been a reduction of around 8 points in the VLDL cholesterol, which is again a very good indicator with regards to the working phenomenon of this supplement. Now coming to non-HDL cholesterol, which is nothing but actually how much bad cholesterol, including the bad and the very bad, that is LDL and VLDL, that you have in your bloodstream. So prior to taking this supplement, it was 171, whereas ideally it should be a maximum of 160 as per the diagnostic report. But if you go by doctor's parameters, then it should also be very less and not actually one at 160. Now it is 104 for me. So you can again see that almost by 60 to 65 points, the overall bad and very bad cholesterol in my bloodstream has been reduced. So I think this would give you an idea with regards to the working of this supplement. So if I have to rate it on basis of effectiveness, I would be compelled to give this supplement 10 out of 10 because it has worked really well on the vital parameters that were required to be controlled. Now let's get very quickly to the other aspects, which are like, pricing, the kind of brands which are available, and the dosage. So first I'll go to dosage. So typically for people who have high cholesterol and high LDL and they need to get it under control quickly, usually you would be required to take 1200 mg daily. Now one capsule is usually of 600 mg, so which means you would be required to take 2 capsules per day. One can be taken during the afternoon and one can be taken post dinner. And now coming to the kind of brands which are available. So I'm talking from the perspective of the Indian market. Globally, there might be more options or less options. In India, we usually have 3 brands available. One is Prelipid, which is from Abbott. Second is there's a company called Healthwit, which is a Gujarat based company. And third is the one which you are seeing right now on your screen. It's an American company which markets red yeast rice capsules under the brand Gero Formulas. So these are the 3 common brands which you can come across in the Indian market, out of which 2 brands are completely not available right now, and especially after Corona. So one which is Prelipid from Abbott, that is not available. Even Healthwit product is not available. It was available pre-Corona, but now it is not available anymore. With regards to this particular product, you can go easily on Amazon and you can try to purchase this product from there. Coming to the pricing, so basically there is no fixed price to this product. It keeps on fluctuating. So this particular bottle that you are seeing right now, it has 120 capsules. So which means it's if you're taking 1200 mg, then it is your dosage for almost 2 months. So I purchased it once at Indian currency of rupees 2700, and the next time I got the same product in the Indian currency of rupees 1700. So there was a difference of 1000 rupees. So you can kind of look at it from that perspective and can look at different e-commerce mediums as well. Now coming to its cost comparison with other supplements like fish oil and flaxseed oil, which are also some of the common supplements which are used for cholesterol reduction. I think price wise, this is the most expensive product that you would come across. So I would give it 5 out of 10 when it comes to effectiveness in terms of price. But overall, I think a very good product when it comes to the working, because I have used both flaxseed oil, fish oil prior to using this product. So I think you cannot compare their effectiveness to the effectiveness of this product. Next time what I'm going to do is I'm going to now reduce my dosage, because now my indicators are under control. So from 2 capsules, I'll reduce it to 1 capsule. And in next 3 to 4 months, I'll again post one review, and you can then kind of, go through it to understand that what have been the results after taking only 1 capsule, because now I have spoken about results after taking 2 capsules a day. So I hope the review was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel very free to comment below the video. I'll be happy to answer them. And just in case, if you are more comfortable with the Hindi language, I've posted the same review in the Hindi language as well. So you can go through the one which is as per your requirements. Thank you so much, and wishing you a great health.